Alright, the spatula is now done. It's not perfect yet, I can still work on it later, but this will be enough to flip the bacon tomorrow, so I think this will do the trick. Gotta put some more wood on the fire so it doesn't just go down to coals. So I'm gonna put that one right there, and that piece also will go good. Go good. Just like that.
Och just den här gula varningen kommer vi även få höra mer om i de lokala nyheterna som väntar. Klockan den slår 3:30.
Can you see that bird nest? Haven't seen that before. Pretty big. Must be like a corp or an eagle house. Yeah, anyways, the fire reflector have caught on fire like 5 times, so I moved the fire a little bit more close into the shelter here. But we got some great cooking coals there. So I think the clock's like 4 p.m. or something like that, half 4 p.m. But I'm gonna prep the food. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna cook tonight. So I will be doing some this is called spett in Swedish. It's I'm gonna peel off the bark, and it's gonna, how can I explain this? You're gonna put meat, some veggies, and yeah, so paprika and zucchini and meat on the stick that I will be having over the coals. So I'm just gonna peel off the bark here, and then I'm gonna put some meat, veggies, those good stuff, and I will put some oil on them, and some salt and pepper. In this bag I got all my food, and you might wonder, why do I have food in this? And that's because this is like a you can't smell anything through it, so animals won't get attracted to this. So here we have vegetables, and here we have the meat, and we're gonna put this on the sticks, and we're going to cook it over the fire. And we got some bread, tortilla, like taco bread, and we're gonna have it in this. And I think I brought some, yeah, I brought some taco sauce, real good stuff. So yeah, it should be a very good dinner all in all. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. But now that I'm thinking, I think I forgot my garbage bag, because it's not in here. Alright, here's my shopping board, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. Just need a little bit more of a point. Like that. So here we got some yellow onion. Gotta put it. Oopsie doops. Yeah. Don't really know how I thought it would go. But yeah, that turned out pretty good. And we have some zucchini. I'll put it on here as well. And we have the meat. Put it in here again. Yeah, so Here we have the meat. It's a love beef. It's thin pieces. So I'm gonna open it up and cut it into pieces and put it on the sticks. There we go. That's what it should be. That's what it should. Oh no! Don't want it to burn. That's looking pretty good. It's already dripping. Gonna put the veggies here as well. There we go. And the last one. I'm gonna put some salt here on the veggies and meat. Can you hear the weird noise the trees are making? Hope this doesn't follow me tonight. The meat's looking very good. Cooking up very nice. Alright, so the meat has been on the grill for like 20 minutes and the coals have died down a little bit. But yeah, they look very good. Can you see the crisp of that meat? And imagine putting that in a tortilla bread with a little bit of sauce. Man, I think the dinner will be real good. I have high hopes. Can you see that it's getting darker? I can certainly notice a big difference. It's when it's beginning to get dark like this, that's the time where I feel the most like uncomfortable being in the woods, because I know that if I gotta go, I have to go now, because yeah, there's some light left, but yeah. This is a real cozy camp. I like this. You know, the setup of having a lean-to and a fire reflector. If you watch my building episodes of the camp, you know that this is how it will look eventually. So yeah, nice camp. Smells amazing. Smells like when you go into a is it called kebab? Kebab shop, kebab restaurant. It smells like what this meat smells like. It's a very good taste, if you want to call it that. All right. Here we have it. Now we're just gonna put it. Oh, before I do that, I gotta stoke this fire up. Stoke the fire up. There we go. The fire going again. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a bread here, and we're gonna take some meat and vegetables and put it here in the bread. These are pretty small, so I can't stuff too much inside, but I have time, so no worries. Like that. Here we have some meat, here we got an onion, here we got a paprika, and we got some zucchini. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna take some taco sauce. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Here, have it. And yeah, so just gonna take some sauce here and put it. It is beginning to snow now. Can you hear it on the tarp? It's a sizzling sound. So yeah, some taco sauce here. You can easily find this in a 5-star restaurants. Feeling like a good chef right now, can't lie. Gonna do this, and then let's give it a try. Oh yeah, this is so good. I'm gonna make another one. Such good taste. First time I cooked anything properly in the forest. I usually just do some hot dogs or some just simple meat, but this was some real 5-star restaurant stuff, so I'm proud of myself. Can you hear the snow? Wait, I'm gonna rotate the camera so the mic is in the right direction. Sizzling sound. I'm gonna eat another one. Yeah, and we're gonna put some taco sauce onto here. That. Oops. Try to wrap this. There we go. Smallest burrito ever. But the tastiest. have some meat left there. I'm already full, but yeah, I'm gonna eat that. Wish me luck. That's a meat piece right there, and I roast it over the fire. Didn't fit into the bread, so I just sticked it into the fire reflector, and now it's roasting up. Nice. Could you hear that? Yeah. That's it's a cat ugla. What's it called in English? It's like those night birds. They're active in the night. You know which bird I'm talking about. But it's a cat. It's not a parrot, of course it's not. But the ones in the Harry Potter. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, I made a decision, and that decision is to go home, because I don't really have the feeling, or I don't really feel like I want to sleep here, and I don't quite often have that feeling when camping. So I'm gonna pack up most of my gear and yeah, go home. But I am gonna come back here in the morning time to cook the bacon and eggs, and yeah, I will do that stuff. So I hope you will continue watching, and yeah, I will come back here in the morning time to cook up the breakfast. But yeah, good night. I'm still standing. Alright, it's the next day here at the camp, and looks like the camp is untouched. So you might wonder why I go at home, and that's because I didn't have the feeling of being here. I've done camp before, overnighters, but I didn't have the feeling, but I just pushed it through. And I never really enjoyed those trips, and when I look back at them, I don't really think I should have done it. So I think it was the right call to just go home. I could have been here for sure, but sometimes it's not the overnight that you want. It's just the maybe like the day you want out here. So yeah, I'm happy that I did what my heart was telling me. Yeah, but anyways, I think I'm gonna hop into my sleeping bag and enjoy being in my sleeping bag, because I like being in my sleeping bag. But after that, I'm gonna cook the bacon and eggs. So I will film that, but I'll not film when I'm in my sleeping bag, because that's a religious ceremony. I'm gonna eat a little bit of my sausage here. I haven't eaten anything, I haven't drank anything before I waked up. When I woke up, I just put on my shoes and started to hike out here. So I haven't eaten anything, so this will taste absolutely amazing. I cannot recommend this sausage more. It's so good. Alright, so I got the fire going, but I can't put the pan on the fire because, you know, it will wobble. And look at this genius idea. So you just put it in between here. And there you have it. Oh no! Anyways, fire is going good. Maybe a bit too good. Gotta watch out so my spatula doesn't burn in the fire. So in there we have some water boiling up for coffee, and I just put the pan up here because the fire was so warm. So yeah, the bacon is a little bit burnt, but that's only good. So it's I think it's gonna be a real nice breakfast. But I am gonna go ahead. Whoops! Gonna go ahead and flip the bacon like this, so it and pop the boink boink, pop the yellow things. Man, this looks so good. I'm gonna put some salt on there as well. Right, the camera battery is running low, but I just cooked the breakfast, as you can see, and I'm gonna eat that. Then I'm gonna break camp and go home. So there's not really much that I'm gonna do here besides eat and break camp, but I'm gonna have to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully. I hope you liked this video, even though I didn't camp here. It was still fun being here, building this reflector and setting up camp and cooking the great dinner as well. I'll remember that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.